Hi, I'm Rupali Singh, Miss Maven Super International, and these are my ballet body shots. First of all, I would say I was honored with it, and I have personally gained a lot, I would say, with it. The whole journey was all about what I used to do, but coming on the platform of Maven, I would say I was able to put across body acceptance, body positivity, as well as I have advocated body inclusivity, because people have been body shaming me and all the other contestants that I've met in the contest. I would say that the whole journey towards it and to be a part of Maven it gave me three actually very important things. I learned three things. First was that be it anything, you need to accept yourself. So first is body acceptance. Second comes it, even if you're plus size, be it any reason. It's not that we love to eat. It is not. It's just a myth. Or let's say somebody is spreading wrong, rumors about you. It can be medical as well, okay? But I would suggest is, even if you're plus size, love your body, love your flab, love your tires, but be healthy. Health is one of the most important thing. Third is mental health. If you accept yourself, if you're comfortable the way you are, and you meditate, and you spread the awareness and the make people aware about it, I would say that if you're mentally healthy, mental health is very important. So one needs to work on it. I would say that I always wanted to be in a pageant. It was a dream of a 9-year-old who wanted to always be on a stage doing fashion show and doing a ramp walk. But since I was young, I was chubby, and then I grew up into a plus size or a thick full size female, and I always wanted to be on the floor and tell people about body acceptance. That was my mindset, and I have been completely surrounded with people who have been supporting me in this and making me accept how I am. The whole reason of coming to Maven was to actually spread or be an advocate for body positivity, fostering a positive environment among people, wherein we were like 73 contestants. So the whole program was set in a way that everybody was there to accept how we are, accept the life journey, and to understand that even being even being thick, we can definitely look good, we can definitely dress good, and we are beautiful in ourselves. Well, I would say that this platform has given me so many reasons to spread the word, which I was trying to do all my lifetime, but I was not able to. The main thing was that when I was doing it on Instagram or while working where I was staying or among my friends and friend circle, I was not able to spread the message of body acceptance and love the way you are, body positivity, and advocating how we are, accepting in the whole society basically. But the moment my whole motto to come on Maven platform was, when I am on such a honored platform and I'll be crowned, and now I have a crown, it's like I have been tagged by a very famous brand, wherein my acceptance and my reach has been expanded to not only India, but it is internationally. I have audience wherein people are understanding, and it has increased my reach basically. So the whole platform, the whole journey of Maven has taught me that even being there, I have spread the message that I wanted to do into a larger audience. And of course, it comes with great responsibility. Being a queen is not easy. Sure. So I would say that I have been working for approximately 10 plus years into the digital marketing field and into the e-commerce. And the whole vision is about, I want to work in an industry which is result oriented, in which you can see the result there and then. So when you work in e-commerce, whatever inputs you do or whatever plug and play you do, you can immediately see the results within a month or two. So I always wanted to be, associated with the work which can show me I'm very result oriented and result driven. So that has led me to choose my industry in a way wherein I can, approach to people, see how exactly it is, working. If some things are working, some things are not working, and then also it gives me a scope of, experimenting. I have a bit of creative side and artist in me, and I like to experiment that way. So I've worked in different, I would say, industries, medical, and then now I'm entering into cosmetic, and previously I was into baby care. So these have been my industry in, I would say, in Middle East regions. First of all, it is very difficult, and still people, give you an eye when you walk around. When you ask them for bigger sizes, they're like, oh, you're XXL. Oh my God, you're more than 4XL. They don't understand that my beauty cannot be defined by what cloth brand I'm wearing, what size or tag I'm wearing. If there are still many brands in India that do not do more than 5XL. Many famous brands, I would say. And it is very difficult for me to actually choose my size. So I definitely go to boutiques and have my customization. And in the last couple of years, I have seen, because of Maven, I have definitely got in touch to many designers who are exclusively designing for plus size. But also the best part is that there has been an awareness in the whole, I would say there have been a great paradigm shift in the way they are seeing. First of all, it used to be only 4XL and that used to be last. But nowadays, they have gone up to 15XL, which is an amazing thing that I've seen all across. So I would say the challenges are basically in terms of color. They used to, first of all, design just like black for, or dark shades for plus size. I don't know, they thought that a darker shade would give them a slimmer look. They have to understand the whole concept. We don't want to look slim. We love the way we are. Give us any color, be it any pastel color or any color. We would flaunt it the way we want. Well, बहुत ही अच्छा क्वेश्चन है ये. So, मैं ऐसे रोल पे थी जहाँ पे लोग बहुत अच्छे गुड लुकिंग, अच्छे वेल स्पोकन लोगों को लेते थे. सो दो मेरी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स अच्छी हैं, मेरे में कॉन्फिडेंस है, बट वहाँ पे मोस्टली दे यूज टू गो ऑन द लुक्स बिकॉज आई वॉज ऑन द सेल्स साइड वेर इन पीपल एक्चुअली जज यू बाय योर what not only what you are wearing but how you look. When I interviewed for a very big company in UAE, they were looking for that. The first time they asked my resume, they asked it with a picture. Like, पिक्चर भेजो अपने रिज्यूम के साथ, हम देखना चाहते हैं कि आप कैसे दिखते हो. मैंने भेज दी. उसके बाद they were like कि आपकी आवाज़ और कॉन्फिडेंस ओवर द फोन इज़ डिफरेंट एंड आपका क्या कहते हैं पिक्चर इज़ डिफरेंट. एंड दे वर स्टिल कन्फ्यूज कि लेना है कि नहीं लेना है. उसके बाद दे एक्चुअली हैड मी कॉल्ड ऑन अ Zoom इंटरव्यू. लिया. दे वर स्टिल नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि इफ़ वी शुड टेक हर बिकॉज आई हैव द कॉन्फिडेंस, बट they were looking for a candidate who is also more appealing and let's say not plus size. So the moment I told the recruiter that I would love to have a chit chat with the CEO, he gave me that opportunity and I met him and I told him one thing, that this is just a feedback. If you take me or not, but a person's talent should not be judged on their what they are or what they have been doing. And since then, I think I have made a lot of change in them that now they are hiring everybody because they are now looking for talent. They do not look for, I would say looks पे नहीं जाते हैं. वहाँ पे mostly क्या होता है कि real estate business में लोगों को आजकल सिर्फ look पे लिया जाता है. ये सुंदर दिखते हैं, पतले दिखते हैं, ले लो. But वो फिर आप वो भी तो देखो जो content बोल रहे हैं. So it is everything. It cannot be just beauty with no brains. And beauty comes in all sizes. Well, I would say it is just जब से क्राउन आया तब से definitely बहुत responsibilities आ गई है because I am representing a brand Maven which itself has been existent from last couple of years. And as I see last contestant, there have been so many people associated with it from different fields and different verticals of life. I would say that it is a bigger responsibility because then people look up to you. I have been approached by many people who have been asking me guides, like style guides, कि मैम मेरा ये region बड़ा है, मैम मेरा ये region बड़ा है, and I'm too shy to wear something. And I keep telling them, first, accept yourself. Second, we will design your clothes. So apart from this also, I think थोड़े बहुत सबको ideas हो जाते हैं कि कैसे क्या करना चाहिए, कैसे style करना चाहिए. And this has been a great journey because people are approaching to me in terms of taking my advice on which platform to buy from, what and how to style, and how to accessorize it. And I'm loving it. Apart from that, I love to promote body positivity. I have seen people making changes, and I've seen people texting me personally on my Instagram and Facebook and WhatsApp saying that how they have been seeing me growing up as a teenager, as an adult and a working professional, and how they have seen the transformation in me, and they would love to do the same in them. सो बेसिकली जो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन मेरी देख के वो खुद इतने प्रेरित होते थे बट बताते नहीं थे. जब ऐसा कोई क्राउनिंग आया उसके बाद दे वर लाइक कि वाओ वी ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू डू समथिंग लाइक दिस इन द सिमिलर लाइन. तो इट्स लाइक कि कॉइन फ्लिप हो गया. Well, first of all, I am not only promoting just the fashion. I'm promoting overall. Like basically, it's a lifestyle page that I have. I promote clothing brands. I promote style. I promote how healthy we can do gym, and I also promote my workouts, by the way. And I also promote the food I eat. I also promote the place I'm living. I'm living in Dubai, so I promote places I can go. So it's an overall lifestyle of a plus size individual. How we live our life. We are just the same as what we are. Well, it's a very interesting question. Few days back, I was checking online to buy my size, and unfortunately, most of the major platforms here, I could not find my size. They do not make any dresses in my size, and I was very upset. The only thing I can do is to customize it. So I believe still अभी acceptance काफ़ी पिछले कुछ सालों से बढ़ गई है, but मैं चाहती हूँ कि जो कुछ sizes की जो availability है वो बढ़नी चाहिए. It should not just stick to 4XL or 5XL. They should actually expand to 15XL until then, because there are so many people who are you don't know what exactly the reason is for them being plus size or thick. It is just that they also deserve equal opportunity to wear those clothes which a normal non-plus size person is wearing. This is what I have a message for all those people who are inclusively designing for plus size. Please try to include sizes until 15XL, so there are people who would love to wear and they only go to customizing boutiques. They can actually choose from those websites easily. I would say that I have been following many major influencers, around the globe, and from them only I definitely get all the inspiration, I would say. And then I have my own small creative mind wherein I would love to make or create a content in which I would love to tell or reach my audience and educate them that all these things can be done. As I told you, my page is not only about fashion or styling, it is a proper lifestyle management. How a plus size person can live a life, how a plus size person can enjoy a life, how a plus size person can work out, because we do work out. It's not important that we love food. Not every person is foodie. Some people who love shopping, I'm a shopaholic. I love shopping and I love to dress myself, and I'm also very career oriented. So I would say brands, tags, hobbies are not based on a person how they look. It is the content that is coming out, and it is actually based on their skill set and talent of a person. This is what I do, I have learned so far, and this is what I love to promote on Instagram. Well, I would say just be what you are. Accept the way you are and you're good to go. You don't need all those preconceived notions wherein people are like, आप ऐसे हो, आप ऐसे कपड़े पहनो, आप लूज कपड़े पहनो. जो आपको अच्छा लगे और जिसमें आप comfortable हो, just be what you are. That is this. Confidence is the key for everything. The moment you have the confidence, that's the time wherein you would be whatever you are wearing, even if it is a swimming costume. you would look glorified in that. Well, I think in coming years बहुत सारे brands में बहुत बड़े sizes आ जाएंगे, and I'm talking about major brands like let's take Zara, let's take Mango, let's take any other bigger brands that do not make clothes for plus size. I'm sure in coming years they would start creating. In fact, अभी तो Miss World में भी from Nepal plus size model was representing. So I'm sure they would start. Even Lakme Fashion Week this time they had plus size models. So I believe that with coming years there will be all these Manish, Malhotras and even our Indian bigger brands would be designing clothes until 15XL, and there will be a plus size thick female walking on the ramp and flaunting their clothes. And there's a huge scope. With what I have seen in the coming years, wearing just black to this color, I'm sure. Basically, I would say it took me some time to actually accept the way I am. But with the help of my family and my friends and the support they have given to me, I would say I worked on my mental health in a way when I started accepting the way I am. Then I worked on my skill set and on my confidence. And then around me, even in my work and my professional life, I have the mental balance wherein I am working throughout, in and out with people. I go, I travel, and I work, and I make sure that irrespective of my size, I'm always on my toe working and giving my best, because my body and my size cannot stop me from performing. And this is what I train. I have a team of 10 people working under me, and I educate and train them on the same, because a good mental health is very important and it comes from within. So definitely you can take therapies and you will have people around you, but it is very important to know first what you want from yourself and then to work out on it. Well, I would say body positivity and body acceptance are different, but being healthy is one of the important things. As per my influence, or what I believe is, in my Instagram channel, what I promote mostly is my lifestyle, but also how I can mentally and physically be healthy as well. So for me, being plus size is important, body acceptance is important, having plus size fashion ideas is important, but being healthy is most important. बहुत पुरानी कहावत है, health is wealth, which is very important. आप healthy हो तभी आप wealthy हो, वरना आप बीमार हो गए, आपके सारे पैसे चले गए आपकी इंश्योरेंस में, आपके इलाज करवाने में. So important is you should be healthy. उसके नीचे और कोई लाइन नहीं है. It's period. Well, thank you Balle Bolly for giving me this opportunity to express what I feel and express my emotions, and main thank you to Maven International as well as Hardeep sir, because I think Maven MS International has given me this platform, and our creator and my guru Mr. Hardeep Arora was the main inspiration behind all of it, and he has been, and may God bless him, and I'm sure I can see more success for all of them in coming years, and more such interviews and association in future. Thank you.